Ready to learn how to make money with ebooks? If you've been struggling to turn your ebooks into a side hustle, in this video, I'll go over the 3 steps you can use for how to make money with your ebooks. Step number 1, bundle your ebooks with other types of products. When I started writing books in 2009, the only thing you could do was go to my Amazon.com page, purchase my Bible study guide, and that was it. So the only time I made money in my business was when somebody purchased the one Bible study guide. But once I started understanding the concept of bundling my books, it allowed me to go from making $7 a sale to $200 a sale. So sis, you need to bundle your book so you can charge more money per sale. And when I say bundle your book, I just mean offer it in different versions and have multiple items somebody purchases when they buy the book from you. So here are the steps to bundle your book. Step number 1, go through your book and identify all the different types of products you can create from this book. I'm talking affirmation cards. I'm talking about a workbook companion. I'm talking about a daily devotional or a prayer journal or a notebook. Whatever it is that you can create from this book so that you offer it as a full package. Number 2, get a tutorial and create those products. In order for you to make these different types of products, you're gonna need to have to teach yourself, right? So just find tutorials that show you how to do it. In the Guide That Will Grow Author Toolkit, I show you how to create all these different types of products. Step number 3, revamp your book offer to include those bundled items and charge at least $97. And the reason why I want you charging at least $97 for your book bundle is because if you only make 100 sales a month of a $100 product, you make $10,000 a month. So that is a great goal to have when you are starting your book business. Step number 2 for how to make money with your ebook, turn your book bundle into a sales funnel. Before I understood selling my book bundles with sales funnels, I used to have to go to trade shows and conferences and speaking events to sell my books in person at a table at my own booth. And this was a block to me growing my book business because I'm an introvert. I don't want to be in person. I don't want to be talking to people all day. Like, it's just not me. I am very much want to be home in my little office behind my little camera, and that's it. That's what I like to do. So a sales funnel lends itself to that type of selling because a sales funnel basically lets these web pages speak for you. It becomes your salesperson for your book. So you want to turn your book bundle into a sales funnel so you can earn passive income and, hang out at home behind your computer like I like to. So here's how you create your sales funnel. The very first step is a lead magnet. What is a free gift that you can give to somebody in exchange for their email address? Make sure that it's digital and that it attracts book readers. I like to give away a free microbook like the free Find Your Purpose Toolkit, like the free Christian Business Toolkit, like the free Sales Funnels for Authors Toolkit. These are all microbooks that I give away for free, so it doesn't cost me anything, but it attracts people who actually like to read the types of books that I like to write. Number 2, create your tripwire offer. Your tripwire page needs to be your book sales page, your book bundle sales page. So there's a lot of elements that your tripwire page should include, but basically you want to write the copy as if you were in person at a trade show telling somebody why they should buy your book bundle. That's what your tripwire page needs to reflect. I like for mine to include something called a video sales letter. So I record a video explaining why somebody should purchase this bundle. I like mine to include my 20-step sales letter copy. If you have my book, How to Write a Book and Make Passive Income Online, you have my formula for how I like to write my sales funnels or my sales letters. But basically just communicate the features of your book bundle and the benefits of your book bundle. And then obviously your tripwire offer needs to have a checkout page. So you can either use a sales funnel software that allows you to create a checkout page like ClickFunnels, or you can just use a regular WordPress site or a one-page website and connect it to a Stripe account or PayPal so that somebody can check out and purchase your bundle. And then the third step of turning your book bundle into a sales funnel, which a lot of people forget, is your email automation. As soon as somebody gets your lead magnet, they should get an email delivering them that free microbook and promoting your tripwire page. Fun fact, 99% of the people who get to your tripwire page are not going to purchase. And that's a good performing page, right? On average, an excellent performing tripwire page only converts at 1%. That means for every 100 people who see it, only one person buys. So you need to have some sort of follow-up campaign to get the people back to the tripwire page so that you can hopefully get more conversions, and that's what the email automation allows you to do. And once you've set this up, now you have a sales system for selling your $97 bundle on autopilot with that sleep coin so you can stay behind the camera, stay behind the computer like I do at home. And step number 3 for how to make money with ebooks, create your evergreen marketing campaign. Create your evergreen marketing campaign. So creating this sales funnel, this sales system to sell your bundle is not enough. You have to get people into the funnel, right? And that's what marketing allows you to do. That's why in my last video, you heard me say to choose an ebook topic that you can talk about all day, all night for free, because that's what marketing is. It's talking about that topic all day, all night for free, sis. So what you want to do is create an evergreen marketing campaign to have traffic coming into your funnel all day, all night. I personally like to use YouTube. I am now getting on TikTok. I've used Pinterest. I've used blogging. I've used Instagram. I've used Facebook. I've done Facebook ads. I've done a ton of different marketing strategies, a ton of different marketing campaigns. I'm gonna tell you, all of them work. Literally, all of them work. All of them will get people into your funnel. You just have to learn the social media platform, learn what it wants, what kind of content it wants, and give it that kind of content. And then when you create your content, promote your sales funnel. There's a reason we have a free lead magnet in the front of our sales funnel. It is much easier to create free content that offers something free to people than to try to sell them something, right? So that's why we have the lead magnet in front of the tripwire page. Hopefully this is all making sense to you now. So you have to create an evergreen marketing plan to promote your sales funnel. So here's how you create an evergreen marketing plan. Number one, choose your social media platform. You do not need to be on all the platforms in order to do marketing for your sales funnel. That is a big misconception and a huge mistake that new authors make, is trying to get on all the platforms at once. Don't do that. All of these platforms have different ways that they promote their content. For you to make content that actually gets distributed to people and actually brings people into your funnel, you have to make the type of content that that platform wants. And that takes work. It takes work to study the platform, understand what they want, and then craft and create that content and give it what they want. For free, mind you, because most of these social media platforms will be paying you pennies on the dollar. They barely pay for all the work you're going to put in to make this marketing content. So you have to be okay with taking the time to study this content or study this platform, understand it, and create this content, knowing that in return, that platform, if you give it what it wants, is going to send people into your funnel. Now you're making sales while you sleep, which is awesome, praise God. So once you choose your social media platform, number two, you're gonna do content research on the platform to understand which topics will attract your book reader. So once I understood how to do YouTube marketing, how to do podcast marketing, that wasn't enough. Now I needed to find which topics those platforms were pushing that would attract my actual user, right? My actual book reader who I want to sell my bundle to. So in the past, I've sold a lot of purpose content, goal setting content, SWOT analysis, how to create a strategy, how to create an action plan. So I had to find out what the platform was looking for in order to promote that. One of the things that I found was this term daily devotionals for women. I found that if I recorded a lot of daily devotionals for women, they would often get pushed out to my target audience, which were women of Christ who wanted to live their God-given purpose. Now I can promote my free Find Your Purpose daily devotional. They grab it, and now they're in my funnel to grab my Live Your Legend video bootcamp. Girl, it's a great system. And then number three, once you know what content you can create in order to attract the people on that platform into your funnel, create that content. Make sure you create yourself a nice little marketing schedule to follow. For me, on Mondays, I film YouTube videos. On Tuesday, I edit and schedule. On Wednesdays, I look at analytics. On Thursdays, I choose new topics based off those analytics. On Friday, I write my scripts. On Mondays, I start the process over again. Have yourself a nice little content creation plan to follow so that you can be continuously creating this content to attract your potential book readers, have the platform send them into your sales funnel, and now your sales funnel is selling your $100 bundle on autopilot. Now, if you need help building out your sales funnel, check out the Godly Girl Author Toolkit that I created to help you do it step by step. Let me give you a little sneak peek. So in the Author Toolkit, everything is already recorded and already available for you. So as soon as you sign up, you can get started with your book. So first up is the Write Your Nonfiction Book Workshop that I was telling you about. All of these modules are already here. Finding your topic is 9 minutes. Creating your book methodology is 21 minutes. Creating your book outline is 22 minutes. Writing your book manuscript is 28 minutes. Copy editing your book is 23 minutes. Designing your book interior, 29 minutes. Designing your book exterior, 15 minutes. And then publishing your book, 12 minutes. So this is already recorded. So as soon as you sign up, you can go through and go ahead and make sure you have a book that solves a specific problem. And then in the Author Toolkit, girl, the ebook tutorials, 81 minutes. The workbook companion, let me show you some of this stuff. So this is the workbook that I created for the author brand class, right? It's so simple to do, so I show you how to do this step by step in the workbook class. The prayer journal, this one's 98 minutes. So let me show you the God Will Grow prayer journal. A lot of you guys have seen this on godwillgrow.com. I'm going to show you how to create these prayer journals step by step. You'll learn how to do it spiral, or you can do it the ones that don't have the spiral as well. So this is the one that I actually demonstrate for you inside the class. You can do a perfect bound as well. So you're going to be able to get your prayer journals done. I'm also going to teach you daily devotionals. If you remember, I have the Find Your Purpose daily devotional. So this tutorial is 120 minutes long. I literally record myself doing it so you can follow along step by step. So you'll know how to do daily devotional step by step. I'm also going to teach you Bible study guides. If you remember, the very first book that I published was a Bible study guide. So I'll show you how to do these as well. These make fantastic companions to your books. I'm also going to show you how to do a daily planner. If you remember, on godword.com, I have my daily planner, the Legendary Purpose Planner. One of the very first planners that I had was the 30-Day Success Planner as well. If you remember, in my original Boss Filmmaker Chick, so I have this planner. So you can do this many different ways. So I show you how to do a daily planner in that class. I also am going to show you how to do a digital planner as well. And you're going to learn how to do a journal. And one of the really, really fun ones is the adult coloring books, the coloring books for adults. So this is the one that you're going to see me create and self-publish in this 2-hour class. This is so pretty. And this one is all about mindfulness, right? How to worship the Lord while we are being present and helping ourselves to get rid of anxiety. You're going to learn how to make these step by step inside of the adult coloring book class. So all that is already recorded, already available for you as soon as you sign up. So when you join the God Will Grow Faith-Based Author School, you'll get access to the Author Toolkit that includes the Write Your Nonfiction Book Workshop, a $497 value, how to write and self-publish an ebook, a $497 value, how to create a workbook companion, a $497 value, how to write and self-publish a prayer journal, a $497 value, how to write and self-publish a daily devotional, a $497 value. You're going to learn how to write and self-publish a Bible study guide, a $497 value, how to create and self-publish a coloring book, a $497 value, how to write and self-publish a daily planner, a $497 value, and how to create and self-publish a notebook journal, a $497 value. All these recordings are already there. They show you how to do it step by step so you can bundle your book. The whole goal is so that you can bundle your book, sis, so you can offer it through a sales funnel. So to get started, go to christianauthorSchool.com, christianauthorSchool.com. Let me show you what that page looks like. It'll take you to this application form. Go ahead and fill out this application form, hit submit, and that's how you'll be able to get access to the brand new God Will Grow Faith-Based Author School. All right, sis, so that's the God Will Grow Author Toolkit. If you're not ready to start writing books, right, and start the side hustle as a faith-based author, make sure you check out the description box for other resources I've created for you. And don't forget to watch this video. It's going to help you build your book business even faster. God bless you, and Jesus willing, I'll see you in the next video.